this is AK. Welcome to my another video. I hope everyone is doing good. Well, the most awaited announcement from Immigration New Zealand about one-off residency category 2021. Actually, it was announced on 29 September 2021, but there was not much information given by Immigration New Zealand. So in today's video, we're going to see about the detailed information about how to apply for this and what are the criteria you need to meet to apply for this visa, and partners, dependent children, and people who have applied under skilled migrant category and residents from work whose application is still pending can also apply for this one-off residency category. What are the criteria you need to meet to apply for this? So that's what today's video is about. So all applicants must hold an eligible visa to be able to apply for this one-off residency. So that means except student visa, post-study work visa, essential work visa and other visas will be eligible for this. Student visa and working holiday visa does not come under this category, so you won't be able to apply for this one-off residency category. So first phase of application of 2021 resident visa opens on 1st December 2021. So those who have submitted the EOI on or before 29 September under SMC category, that is skilled migrant category, who has included their dependent child over 17 can apply for 2021 resident visa. Also pending resident applicants under SMC or residents from work can also apply for this one-off residency. So second phase of application starts from 1st March 2022. All others eligible, including critical purpose visa holders who do not meet the first phase of applicants, can apply in the second phase. So critical workers coming to New Zealand longer term of 6+ months, whose roles do not need to meet settled, scarce or skill criteria, whether your visa is issued on 29 September or after that, it doesn't matter. Eligibility criteria for nurses would be need to get an occupational registration as a nurse in New Zealand, pass their competence assessment program and secure occupational registration, or else should be eligible in a work visa before 29 September 2021 and meet settled, skilled or scarce list. So this is the criteria for nurses who can apply for one-off residency on the second phase, which starts on 1st March 2022. So first phase applicant requirements: to be eligible for 2021 resident visa, you should be in New Zealand on 29 September 2021, and applicant must have a temporary work visa. Secondary applicants, partners and dependent can also be included in your application. Principal applicants can meet skilled, scarce or settled category to be eligible to apply for one-off residency. So location: applicants must be in New Zealand on 29 September 2021 or granted critical purpose visa. Those in Australia left New Zealand between 6th April 2021 and 29 July 2021. All applicants must be in New Zealand to apply for this visa. So under settled criteria, to be eligible under settled criteria, all the applicants should have arrived in New Zealand on or before 29 September 2018 and spent at least 3 years, which is 821 days till date. So immigration will use your travel records to find if the applicant meets this criteria. No further evidence will be required from your side except the 821 days, which will be checked by Immigration New Zealand if you are applying through settled category. So skill category, you should be paid around 27 per hour. Average work hours will be 30 per week on 29 September 2021 and the date they apply. Pay records will be requested by Immigration New Zealand, so make sure your employer has your pay slips and employment contract, bank statement, IRD summary and pay slips. This should be submitted if you are applying under skill category. And all the applicants, if you are earning around less than $27 but your occupation falls under scarce list, you will also be eligible to apply for one-off residency. So scarce criteria: to be eligible under scarce list, you should be employed on an average of 30 hours per week in a role in scarce list, and the occupation should be given on 29 September 2021, the date you apply. Scarce list occupation is included in INZ website. Check if you do come under those long-term skill shortage list. Jobs requiring occupational registration in health or educational sector, personal care or other critical healthcare workers. specified primary sector roles. So these are the links which is available on your INC website. So please do check and find out if you do fall under this category. Family, partners and dependent children in New Zealand can be included as a secondary applicant. Dependent children 25 plus included under SMC or expression of interest on or before 29 September cannot be included in residency visa. They need to apply, they need to submit a separate application on their own, and there won't be any additional fees taken for child. They can be granted their own residency application if they meet their health and character requirements. Dependent children who are granted 2021 resident visa will get an exemption to travel into New Zealand. Partnership 12 months living together must be included for partners based application. INC will consider the history of couples separated by COVID-19 border restrictions. Partners will not be eligible if they don't meet the 12 months of living together period. So if you don't meet the 12 months of living together, you won't be able to apply for partnership based visa. Health requirements, medical certificate will be required by Immigration New Zealand if you haven't provided one within the last 36 months. Character requirement, police clearance from overseas will not be required. Cost of application, total cost of residency visa application, which will be $2,160 including GST. This includes New Zealand dollars of 1,330 for the application fee and 830 for immigration levy. There is no additional fee included at this moment for one-off residency 2021. SMC application who choose to withdraw the fee already paid will be covered based on this application. If you are already applied and you're trying to withdraw your residence from work or skilled migrant category applicants, your fees will be covered with this one-off residency, and the rest of the amount will be given as a refund. All applicants will be available in online. Application will be available in online on 1st December 2021. SMC or residents from work who already applied, like your reference number should be included on your application if you're applying on 1st December 2021. Make sure you give your you just mention your expression of interest application number or residence from work application number. So that will be requested by immigration if you fail to apply. 1st March 2022, others will be eligible to apply, including SMC category. All applicants should be submitted before 31st July 2022. So INC is trying to make this process as fast as they can, so that they can implement other, they can go on to a next level to implement new rules. So that's what they are planning for. They are planning to clear out the backlog of applications as soon as possible. So maybe the process might be faster. So make sure you submit the application before 31st July 2022 without fail. And these are the requirements which you need to check so that you can apply for your one-off residency category. I hope everything goes well, and everyone who is eligible will get residency. Good luck to everyone. See you soon with another update. Bye-bye.